that is my projector. It's called JmGO. It's a remote control. I'm sorry about this, my room is really small, so I have to go backward to see all the screen. And you can see this is called laser TV JmGO. It's similar to Xiaomi laser TV, but I don't know, I choose that, I don't know why, but I just I would like you. And also my screen, I bought it from XY screen, so which is the reason I bought the screen, because my hole is can't see, it's not good at all, I can't paint. I make this board, you can see, if you see my channel, you can see all the video how I make the screen, but it doesn't, it look okay, the quality is good, I like the quality, but also the reason I want to buy screen, because I can get very good an anti-light screen. It's still, you can see that line, this big window is like the room, and which is my Samsung TV here. It's real 9000, and this is a PS4, which is a your view with a BT. I got a BT, and there's a VUD, the box, which is satellite box. And let's try the house quality. I'm going to turn on. It's really cool. It's covered the screen. You can get 30 when you turn off, when you turn on, and just I think this two is a speaker, I believe. And this is two speaker, and you can see it's called JmGO. This take a bit time to loading, but I think it's okay. This setting says everything Chinese. There's how it's loading. I don't want to change the setting to the English version because I like the logo. I like the setting. Just someone asked me to show how the setting. This is setting. It's all Chinese. You can change to any language to English, or you have to change the software. But I don't mind. I don't use the software. I wanna just. I like the logo. You can see how it works. I have to go back. You can see full screen. And also, it's easy. It's very simple. It's all up here. Whatever, you can download it. I have Kodi. I got also think YouTube, but because I changed the region, the show is Chinese. But I don't know how to change the region. Oh, this one is wrong. Sorry, it doesn't work. That one is working. You need a Google Play Store. And I want to show any 4K video. Just search for 4K video. Okay. Even I don't know which one is it, but I guess it's this one. Let's see this. How is it? You can see the voice sound is really good. You don't need any speaker. Or anything else. You don't need a speaker. The remote is very simple. It's just, you can see, it just is very simple, the remote. And also here light, I turned off the light, but it doesn't work like it's nothing. Oh, another light here. This light is I believe it's 100 watt. It's strong, and let's turn on. You see that? Still you can't tell any different. It's very strong. You can't tell any change any picture or any color. And there is now sunny outside. It's very light. It's around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock morning. Daytime, so you can see the picture. Also, I would like to show other information about is here, all the thing. So all the app or everything. This is fun. You can turn to auto or manual if you don't. So that's up to you. And AGM cable. That's I think it's my. I need. Oh yeah, it's because I don't get a full signal. That's good for BT Sport. BT Sport. Oh, just I got IMC. Is that working? Yeah, it's not open yet. So let's go to BT. Yeah, BT Sport HD. It's a HD channel. And you can see. Let's turn off the light. And then you can see any different. I'll turn off the light as well. And this is my first video I made, which is I speak. I made another video I don't speak. This is my. I usually don't make any video on YouTube or anything. This is all BT Sport. It's a HD channel. It's a HD channel. Oh, it's a box nation. There's no HD channel, you can see, but the quality is really good. I'm really curious about the quality, whatever I have, which is my TV here. Samsung 9000, and I wanna turn on, and you can see that. I don't know, for some reason it's not going to on. I think that's huge problem. Yeah, it's going on. This is Samsung UHD. I have to go to Smart Hub, IPTV. And also here, this is not the HD channel, it's the SD channel. Sorry, I have to go back always. This is for the fan. If you can hear the noise, the fan, it's not that much noise, you can tell. And also HDMI cable here, so it's I bought it from China. It's to around 9,000. is 10,000 yang, so which is around 1,000 pound, 1,000 pound, 200 pound. With the post everything 1,200 pound. I think it's too long. You will get bored. This is my box. It's called VU. This is on BBC channel. It's channel 5. It's channel 4 in Sky. You can see its quality is really good. It's on my TV. If you compare with this Sky, you can. It's just a bit slow because my internet stream slow. It's here my TV quality and my projector, so you can see both of them. You can compare. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. If anything, let me know, comment below. Thank you.